Here's a tip worth trying if you're a snorer. I know there are lots of supposed solutions and lots of different pillows you can use. I even have one myself, but I find my head goes off the pillow and then I just snore anyway. And just recently we were travelling and I had my travel pillow, which I'm also using as a pillow where we are. And I've discovered that when I use this I don't snore. I put it in a pillowcase and my head goes in here and a thin bit or a thick bit goes under my neck depending on which way I'm lying, and it prevents me from snoring. So it's a very cheap and easy way of stopping snoring for myself anyway. Hopefully it will help somebody else. So I thought I'd share that.